Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change a window regulator or a motor on your 2006 Honda Civic. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and take this piece out that holds the switch in place. Just use your screwdriver, pry it up, and then it's just one button to take the electric piece out, the power basically. So it's just, like I said, that one tab. So once you do that, then go ahead and take this cover off. Just use your flathead and put it in that part where I'm pointing at. And then you can pop that out. There's one screw here, and then there's also a push clip. So basically this thing, make sure you take that out too, because I actually yanked that thing out when I took the door card out. After you've done that, then go ahead and take this one screw out, and then your door card should be able to come out. So just give it a firm yank from the bottom, and all the clips should come out. Once you do that, take the door card off, lift it up. It's on like a little ledge thing, and I kept the door handle piece in there just so it's easier later. You can take that off if you want. It's a couple kind of like bolt things. Go ahead and take off that one plug, and then peel your it's like a waterproof stripping back. And take the the power cord out, just remove it from there. So here's your window motor, and then just take it out. So basically mine was stuck up. So this is an old school trick. So basically what you're doing is you're kind of shocking it to just give it one last life. And the reason why I did this is because the window was stuck all the way up, and so I couldn't get to the bolts that hold the window in place. They were hidden behind the frame, so this is why you need to do this. This is another trick, if that doesn't work, is to cut this cable, and then basically you can just manually move the window up and down. So here's the two bolts I'm talking about, and make sure you know where they are in this alignment, because you can move them. That way the window is lined up as you put the window back in. And you can also use those suction cup holders if you want. I didn't have any, so I just used the family member, and manually they held it for me while I was changing this. So then it's 5 bolts to get the actual motor out. So here's the bottom 3, and then here's the top 2. So take note of this one in particular because it's slotted, and so that'll help you line up the motor once you get the new one in. So take these 2 bolts out, then you can basically take the motor out, disconnect the power, and then that's it, and the motor can come out. So everything else is in reverse order. So put the new motor in, and then what you want to do is obviously plug it in first. So once you plug it in, plug it in first, and then you want to mount it up. So here's that bolt I was talking about. So start that bolt and you can slot it in there, and then all the other bolts line up a lot easier. So you're not just fishing for them and doing it blind. So put in the other 2 here. Once you've done that, then put the window back into place. And like I said, note the alignment. So ours were all the way to the bolts were all the way to the left. So that's when we're going to put them back in, or that's when we're going to slide the actual window. So there's the second bolt. Go to make those tight, and then test the motor. So yay, the new one works. So now you can put everything else back, the cover and all that stuff in the door card. Everything is good. So go ahead and feed the power to the switch back through your little seal. Put that back up on the sticky stuff. And then put that plug back in there to hold it on that side. Put your door card back on. Make sure it's on the slot on the top. And then pop it back into all the all the clips that are held in there. So just give it a hard shove and they should pop back into place. And then just put that one screw in. That way the door card doesn't go anywhere. Put your power back in for your switch. and then go ahead and pop that back into place. And then there's the screw for the, oh, there's the clip that I popped out that I didn't know was there, so make sure you take that out when you begin this. Put the screw back in, and then put the cover on, and then you're done. So if you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.